This video is a review of Rayo's homemade tomato basil pasta sauce. Welcome to Parks and Pizza. In this video we're going to use beautiful Rayo's homemade linguine. We're going to use some Parmesan cheese, Pecorino Romano cheese, garlic and herb butter. Alright, here's the first bite. It's really good. Rayo's best sauce in the market. This is your basic Rayo's tomato basil sauce. It's the best tomato sauce on the market. If you don't know which tomato sauce to buy Rayo's. You won't be disappointed. Restaurant quality sauce at home. Thank you for watching Parks and Pizza, and I'll see you guys in the next video.